Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. However, we don't give buy or sell signals here, so if you're expecting it, then this group may not be the place. But if you're still interested in learning and being part of the community, please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, let's see what we have for today. I do have two stocks that I'm watching today, FUBO and PECK. FUBO is gapping up pre-market on news and it's having a pretty decent pre-market volume. I'll be interested in FUBO if the stock wants to pull back to around 27 area. So 27 is the first level of support that I'm watching. I want the stock to pull back to those levels before I'm even interested in getting in. I anticipate a support at $27, then $26.60, 55 area, then probably $26. Those are the levels that I'm watching on FUBO. I'll play it only if the stock pulls back to those levels. Next, I do have PECK. It's a penny stock. So PECK is gapping up on news. Looks like the company is actually acquiring a different company. I'll be very careful trading this stock because probably it's going to be a pump and dump. I'm more inclined to trade FUBO in the open market, but I'll keep PECK on watch in case if it wants to give me a good setup. We do have 8 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys just before market open. Alright, the market opens in another 10 seconds. Watching FUBO and PECK. The market is open. Watching PECK. It's approaching my levels. It just touched my levels and it bounced back. So I was waiting for 1150, 1145 area, but I'll wait. So on PECK, I think it's halting going down. So I'll hold. PECK is probably getting halted. It's making big moves and now the low was 1155. 4 minutes into market open, I don't have any trades. So we're done with the first 5-minute candle. I'll wait for more sell-off. So FUBO is actually selling off. It's getting to my level. Now I'm not interested at this level. 26.90 would be my level, my first ad. So I'm just putting an order out there at 26.90. 75 shares. If it wants to give me an entry, I'll take it. I missed the ad on PECK. Yep, I got filled on PECK. I got 100 shares. I'm looking to add more around 10:30. Selling half, 11.74. Then I would sell another 25 at. Sold another 25. Just remaining with 25 shares. Sold that 25 at 12.02. So I think I executed the trade well. I scaled in. I did not get my second ad, but overall on that 100 shares, I did execute my trade well. I'm pretty happy with that trade. So I'll be looking to add again 100 shares at 10.52 on PECK. So that's the plan. I'll watch. I'll place an order out there in case if it wants to give me an entry. So on FUBO, the low was around 27 earlier. I had a support at 26.86, but it is what it is. You're not going to get all the trades. You're going to get some and you're going to miss some. That's part of the game. Still watching PECK for a second trade. I'll be interested if the stock wants to pull back to 10.50 area. FUBO did not get a play yet. So I've been waiting for almost 10 to 20 minutes now and I've not got any trades or any setups. I'll wait for another 10 minutes and if no setups turn out, probably I'll call it a day. I don't want to force any trade. The longer you stay, the more are the chances to force trade, so I don't want to get into that position. So FUBO had one setup, but I actually missed that between the cup and the lip. On PECK, I actually missed this move. It did not give me my entries. So the low of this candle was 11.9 and I was anticipating the support or a bounce around 10.52. I'm feeling good about the first trade that I took on PECK. I wish it gave me one more trade. I'll cancel PECK for now. I don't want to get into PECK coming out of the halt because no one knows where it's going to open. So I do have an order around 10.52. It would be a quick scalp if I get it. So 1075 was the support. If it breaks, probably I'll get my ad. It broke. Yep, I'm in. Yep, I'm out. My 50 shares, and now I'm exiting at 1082. So that was a quick trade. So anticipating a support around 1050 and playing the bounce. It was a quick scalp. I like these trades because you don't have to wait a lot to get to your entry points. You can just get in and get out. But I mitigated the risk with a smaller share size. I could have made more money if I went with 500 shares or 300 shares. But at this point, these trades are risky, so I mitigated the risk by going in with a smaller share size. So on the day, I made $79 so far. So on the last trade, I took my profits 1076 and 1082. It may go even higher, but I got my fair share of profits. I'll be happy with it. I'll probably look for one more trade on PECK, and I want the trade to happen in another 10 minutes. If not, I'll go ahead and stop trading. So just putting an order out there at 1030. So if 1050 breaks, I think I'll get my ad around 1030. So it's holding support around 1050. Maybe this is trapping a lot of bulls out there. The low was 1032. I did not get filled. I had my order at 1030. Bummer. Missed that trade by just 2 cents. I'll cancel the order for now. I think I should be happy with what the market gave me. I've been trading for almost an hour, and I think it's a good time to stop trading and move on. A pretty decent day of trading, making a little over $79. I'll take it and be completely happy with it. On PECK, my trades worked as expected. I was anticipating support levels at 1133 and 1052. I got my ads and I slowly scaled out of my positions, so everything worked in my favor on the 2 trades that I've taken on PECK. So no reasons to complain. My third trade that I planned on PECK, unfortunately I did not get filled, but it is what it is. I cannot complain making $79 a day. So I'll come back tomorrow hoping the market to give us some great opportunities. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.